Hey guys, this is Chris again, coming at you with a, this is unveiling. This has been a long-term grail of mine, or is a long-term grail of mine. Ross over at ECJ Luxe, over at Diamonds Direct, my AD was kind enough to send one in for me to review. So I'm hoping one of these days this is my long-term grail, and I'm excited to be able to check it out and see how it wears and everything. And of course, as you can tell, Blancpain. Those of you that know me know what this is. I'm going a little bit different because I'm kind of wearing your watch right now, but showing you the box and all that. This is a lot of kit that comes with the watch. Of course, I saw the paperwork and stuff down there. You guys have seen that before. This kit that comes with it is pretty nice. These are kind of my first impressions on the unboxing and all that. Like I said, I'm wearing the watch, so let me go on to the watch. This watch itself is really, really killer watch. For the size, it's like 43 millimeters, 22 millimeter lugs. I was afraid it was going to wear a little bit big, but holy crap, it wears really, really well. This is the 50 Fathoms, the Bathyscape, the ceramic. This is, like I said, the all black. And pictures just do not do this thing justice. Look for a full review on this thing tomorrow. Like I said, this thing is killer. I was a little worried about the 43 millimeter size, but I think for a tool watch, this thing fits really well. And that ceramic coating on there, I see why this is a lot of people's grails. Like I said, this is my long-term grail that I hope to achieve sometime this year, the end of the year, maybe next year. Or maybe after I finish my collection. This might be the last edition of the Forever collection. But this has been my first impressions, excuse me guys, of the Blancpain, the 50 Fathoms Bathyscape. This is the ceramic dowel. Thanks to Ross and his crew for sending this out so I could check it out. I think he knows I want one. I think he's trying to sell me one. But I'm definitely sold. Alright guys, this has just been like a first impressions kind of thing, a little mini unboxing. Just to show you guys what I think of it, and look for a full review of it tomorrow. Unfortunately, I only have this guy for a day. He said they have a quick turnaround on these. These sell like hotcakes, and I can see why. But I'm going to enjoy my time with it while I have it. But alright guys, this has been Chris. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Alright, peace.